see you one more time. Barrel number 3, Ryan Lewis. He's driving under the sponsorship of Northern Snack and Bridge. Up to barrel number 2, Doug Green for the Bar Diamond Cattle Company. And barrel number 1 is Blade Flat from Warmer, Alberta. He's driving for Western Construction. He's number 1. So hope to be run. Wait a minute. And a good start out there. Wow, look at a good one by Blade. Make that left turn and away he goes. If he makes this turn, he's going to have that one all in his corner of the path. Look at him go. Side by side with him. It's Ryan Lewis on him. And Cameron Green. It's Doug Green. This is going to be a good race as they come around now. There's now corner number 1 and then corner number 2. Great flag for Rustin. Bill has that lead. But Doug Green's coming up the middle. Says, I want this heat. Now he is surpassing. He's got a horse length lead ahead of Blade Flat, who's slowly slipping down the third. But side by side with Ryan Lewis. Up ahead is Doug Green, but he's in the middle. He's going to have to take the longer way around. If young Blade Flat can hold on to that spot there, he just might have it. We'll see what there is with horsepower right now. But Doug Green for the Bar Diamond Cattle Company is leading the pack by about a length and a half ahead of everybody. He's on his way home. Well, he's on his way home. Why don't you tell him how to get here? Here we go.